Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sony SRS-XV500 speaker and I'm going to tell you how to do a hard reset. Hard reset is useful when you want to troubleshoot your speaker. For example, you have some connection problems or any different problems. It can fix a lot of issues. So to do so, you have to find a pause and play button over here and mega bass button. Now we have to hold these two buttons until our speaker will be turned off. It might take 5 seconds. As you can see, our speaker turned off, and this is a sign that our speaker is now restarted. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.